everybody.
Okay. Hello, hello, Lori. Good evening. I was requested by my downline, Yolanda Moss, to do the introduction.
Oh, good. Thank you. Please, my honor. Please,
Okay, and I think we have guests tonight, so maybe we just need to stick to the topic. And
definitely, that's the reason why I asked Ate Prisla before I start always if there's a new people.
All right.
So
All
now
right,
that we have the guest, let's do it. Okay.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, YouShare family. Good evening even to the new guests and to the prospects, the future prospects and the potential prospects of this multi-billion-dollar company, which is DT Socialized. Now, I would like to present to you a very important person. Lori Bocco grew up and was educated in Germany. She got married and moved to the US till now for the last 37 years. She was also very successful in her other businesses. But for the last 6 years, she made millions in Bitcoin mining. And I'm sure everybody is familiar with Bitcoin. That industry is just outrageously phenomenal. She was the global leader and the top earner in the whole company with 37 countries underneath their organization. She became financially free and financially independent after this company was financially independent. So she was very successful in that Bitcoin company. Lori also before that company closed, she already made millions. But then she happened to meet DT Socialize. And that is to our blessings, and that is to our advantage, because she made it a vow to be able to help the Philippines become economically powerful. So what she did was she joined YouShare when it came along, and after 1 year in YouShare, she became again #1 in this particular operation. She also was selected as a board member. Can you imagine that? Naging board member pa si Miss Lori Bocco sa DT Socialize for her excellent performance and for her resilience and for her passion, commitment, and devotion to this particular business. She has achieved purple diamond in such a period, in such a minimum period of time. And I think if I am correct, that would be 5 months, Miss Lori. So
9 months.
9 months. Oh, okay. Correct. I stand corrected. But this woman and this leader is very impressive, because in spite of all the hurdles and the obstacles that might beface her in the process of presenting the business here in the Philippines, she carried on. It did not stop her from anything, because her desire is to involve us in this particular industry, so that it is going to change the lives of so many Filipinos. And as a director of DT Socialize, well, we will, as the Philippines, will be heard in the industry. And through her, we can actually gain more success, and we can gain more, upper hand, or we will have a leverage, considering that one of the board of directors of DT Socialize is a Filipino American. Aren't we proud of that? So please my dear friends and my dear YouShare family, let's give her a big round of applause. May I honorably present Miss Lori Boko, our speaker for tonight. Thank you,
Thank,
everyone.
thank you, Ma'am Priscilla. That was really excellent.
Yeah.
For the first time, there was a very, very great introduction.
I was just given your your brief resume here, Lori. So sorry about that. I'll do better next time.
You did add a lot of good things, and then thank you so much. I want to give it back also to Ma'am Priscilla, because she has also a group growing now, not only in the Philippines, but all other part of the world. So she's also a great leader. I already know that she's a leader. Even before she started Ushare, and to have her in my uh, in my board, as in my company, as a leader. I'm very, very actually proud to have her, and also glad to have her, because I know in the future she will be running and doing a lot of meetings, and also presentation for her group. So I look forward to that day. I know today, she has other things, commitment, family, and stuff, but I know already that her heart is in Ushare, and she want to build this company. So thank you, Ma'am Priscilla. Thank you for that great introduction. And again, my name is Lori. I'm like Ma'am Priscilla is saying, actually we are all fortunate and lucky that I found this company that made me in a year board member, not only a board member, but executive director of our CEO. So even me myself, I'm also surprised, because I only wanted to help people, like she said. My heart is always wanted to help Filipino, uh, you know, our life to move up, and also to become independent, because I achieved that already myself, and I know how it feels when you have financial freedom. When you wake up in the morning, you don't have to worry about money, and you can travel around the world without even somebody telling you, hey, you can't go because I do not approve your vacation. So in life, it's about timing, and we are in the right time right now in this company. So I'm going to start the presentation with a disclaimer that we are not promoting or selling any security token, or we are not also financial advisor. They're only promoting membership, that allowing us to participate in all the project that we have in the ecosystem. So DD Socialize is our holding company, and Newsyear is our marketing company. So the data stands for data, big data, so that you guys understand more. Uh, data stands for data. We are also in the big data business, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Google. They are making hundreds of $1 billion selling our information, because why is Google worth hundreds of $1 billion, or Facebook, when their application is free? So who is the product? The product is us, right? Because every time we use the application, they also gather our information, and they turn around and sell it to companies and businesses. That's how it works. So we as a company, DT Socialized, are also making billions of dollars selling data. But the difference between us and the Facebook WhatsApp, we are selling only statistic data. We're not selling your information. Actually, our company is actually challenging Google and Facebook, because our project, our company is protecting the privacy of people. And of course, Google, Facebook, they don't like that. But because they want to sell information people, that's what they're doing for a living. But our company, we are protecting the privacy of people. We ceremonially believe that we are in charge of our own personal information. We have the right to decline if we want it to share to the companies, or we want to keep it for ourselves. That's what we're doing. So we are DT Socialize. And the only difference between DT Socialize and the user, Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, they don't have user as a marketing arm. They only keep the profit themselves. But our company is sharing the profit to all of us here that doing socialized business. So from the past, we missed a lot of opportunity because we don't know how it works, or maybe nobody educate us. So all of this already happened from the past, and we didn't make money because we miss it. And I'm one of them, except one in Bitcoin. So we're going to talk about few companies that we miss a lot, right? So let's start with Netflix. When Netflix came out, they were selling only the stocks for $50, 50 cents. Um, I did not buy it because I didn't understand at the time. I was so busy working for the money. I was working full time, working in the hospital, and I didn't buy anything. So right now it's worth $650. So if I buy now, it's too late. But back then, if I bought $1,000, I made millions already. I missed that one. Amazon, when it first came out, people are reading the book. The lady beside me, we were inside. We were sitting beside each other on the plane. I asked her, I said, "What is that?" She said, "I bought the digital book inside Amazon." That was the beginning of Amazon just selling digital book. Why? Because Amazon believed that you cannot put thousands of books inside a store, but you can put millions of books inside the internet. That's what the beginning. And he almost not made it because nobody believed in him. But today, he's one of the biggest e-commerce in the world. So if I bought stocks of Amazon then, even $1,000 is worth now millions. I missed that one. I miss Apple, and other things like Facebook. When I used to own my own nursing agency, I still remember, I cannot forget one of my patient that is 85 years old. Every morning, either me or my caregiver, she will ask, said, "Can you please turn on the TV?" And then when I want to know what's Facebook doing. So when I opened where all the stocks and everything happening, she's so excited. She said, "Oh my God, today I'm a multi-millionaire again. I bought Facebook and it was the beginning." Again, I missed it. I didn't even get to Facebook until 4 years later. So all this thing we missed because we're not paying attention. We're not educated. Actually, I travel all over Philippines, and the first thing I ask people, "Do you own stock of shares of the company before they went public?" And 99.9% of the Filipinos told me, "No, ma'am, we did not. We missed it." The only person that they told me that made billions of dollars in Facebook is Andrew, because he bought the stocks of Facebook in the beginning. So that's what happened to all of us in the past, right? But don't worry about that. We have something better than all of this combined. So thank God, like Ma'am Priscilla said, in 6, 7 years ago, 7 years ago actually, I got into Bitcoin mining, and I don't know anything about Bitcoin mining, but because I was in the right place at the right time, Bitcoin was only 6,000 when I bought my machine that mined Bitcoin every day, and because I am also doing the business, because I become the number one all over the world. I also earn a lot of money in my business side, and I bought more machine, and that's how I accumulate about more than 200 machine in just a matter of 4 years. And I was starting earning $10,000 a day. That is a truly passive income because I'm earning 24 hours 7 days a week while I'm sleeping. That's only my machine doing the work for me, and I'm also making a couple $100,000 a month in the commission. So that was the aha moment for me, because even during COVID time, when everybody is losing job, unfortunate, I was making the most money in my entire life while I was stuck in my house. I was able to do Zoom in 37 countries every single day and make so much money that, no, and my husband even joke around, "And you don't need to travel. You make more money staying home." But the reason why I traveled, because I want to meet my people. I want to meet my leaders. I want to know who they are. I want to have a personal connection with them. That's the reason why I love to travel. Even the Philippines, I love to meet my leaders because I really love working with the people that I met, and that's why I travel. Technically, I can do business just being at home, but the reason why I'm traveling because I really love to connect with you guys. So all of this, that happened in the past that we missed, don't worry about it. We're going to have bigger than this that you cannot afford to miss. So we own our own artificial intelligence called Maya, my artificial intelligence assistants. And artificial intelligence, if you guys don't know, artificial intelligence is a robot that's a lot smarter than human being. Oh, really? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Is that a question? Second. Thank you, Ate Dali, for saying that. Do you see it, Ate Dali? You see it now? Okay. Let me just change the slide then. No, it's okay, right? Okay. So, artificial intelligence actually, a lot of expert was saying that artificial intelligence is like the beginning of electric, the beginning of internet, 3 times bigger and a lot faster. Can you imagine that? We are in the biggest market right now, and we are in the beginning of it, and we own it. We're not like third party. We're in the biggest market that we can participate in the income. We can participate sa growth ng company, and we're all shareholder of this amazing company. That's the beauty of our company versus the other company. Sila, sila lang nagsishare ng profit. They don't share it to anybody else. But at least this company, you know, they love to share with us because you know why? We're also helping growing the company by helping the marketing and just by people who are using our artificial intelligence and Maya. That's the reason why I love to open businesses. The Philippines it comes to like coffee shop that close to the university because I want to promote our own Maya. I want to put our own application, you approve and Maya and you make the world. That's my purpose because I really want people to know more about our company.
Ma'am, meron po raw tayong Amerikano na member
Oh,
dito sa GC. American,
okay.
yeah. English speaking.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Lan, for bringing that. Sorry, guys.
Oh.
I'm always used that mostly Filipino here. That's why I do that. But thank you for bringing that up. That's the reason why I asked before we start if we know anybody heard that outside the country. Okay, so thank you, Dan, for doing that. So our artificial intelligence and the Maya that is now number one in the world is also available now for all of us to use and also for the whole world to use. And this they're saying that AI is already being used in 95% in the businesses and companies, like home automation, manufacturing, automotive. Car can drive now without somebody driving it, right? In the AI driving it. In the healthcare, in the hospital, even when I used to work in the hospital, the robot is already doing the operation. It's doctor don't you don't need doctor if you want, but of course we always need doctor. But what I'm saying is AI was already doing the job of a doctor. And also in the stores, before when I go inside the store, there's so many salesperson attending the in the stores. But now you can barely count the people inside the salesperson inside the store because everything now is automated. All I have to do is scan my item and pay with my credit card, and I don't need any salesperson. That's right now going on around the world. We like it or not, we need to adapt changes because it takes 5 to 10 years for people to adapt new technology. And I tell you guys, artificial intelligence AI is here to stay forever. They might just modify it or make it even better, but it's not going to go away. Can you imagine yourself without a cell phone nowadays? When you go in the stores and you left your cell phone at home, you always turn around and pick up your cell phone. Oh, I forgot my cell phone. I need to turn around. If you leave your husband, you probably said, okay, that's okay. He can stay home and just go and pick him up later, right? But cell phone becoming part of our life. So like AI is going to be like part of our life. Either we like it or not, it's going to happen. The question is, because we miss a lot of things from the past, are we going to miss it this time? No, we cannot afford it. That's the reason why we need to tell people about our business before it's too late. So AI now is $638 billion, and in a couple of years it's gonna be 2.6 trillion. That's why I'm telling you this is going to be bigger than Bitcoin, bigger than anything else out there. This is the first one in the history that this kind of technology is bypassing other technology that we had in the past. So, guys, you don't have to be ashamed or embarrassed to share what we have here. This is the best opportunity that out there right now, and we own it. We're not third party. So I'm going to share with you a video how Facebook, WhatsApp will make money, selling their data, and we can also do the same thing. Okay, so I see you in a minute. Hmm. Start playing again. Uh, I don't know why. I don't know why it's not playing. Sorry, 1 second. Hmm. Interesting. I don't know why it's not playing the video. Sorry. So let's talk about what we have here. I don't know why it's not playing, guys. Sorry. So DT Socialize actually is a holding company, and we're a public company in London and in Europe. And under DT Socialize, we have 21 companies that belong to DT Socialize. And later on, we're going to talk about 6 major projects that we just launched in just a couple months, and that you and I can participate in making money. So DT Socialize actually is very proud to be partner of the 2 biggest investment company in the world, and that's the Caprock and Houlihan Lokey. So I know that Caprock, I think the headquarters is here in LA and also in Australia, and Houlihan Lokey. So this is, guys, you can Google Houlihan Lokey and also Caprock. These 2 companies, they love what we have. They were so amazed with our own artificial intelligence. They said they never seen anybody like this. And that's the reason why they partner with us, and they're also promoting our company right now. So that's why when our CEO spoke to us a couple of weeks ago, he was very, very excited because his dream finally come true. He wants to be one of the biggest industry in the world with this Facebook, WhatsApp, Google. Now we can count ourselves as one of them. Can you imagine that? And I truly believe one day we can even bigger than that. Um, for those of you who are in this Zoom right now that started the business like me, actually when our company reached $100 billion, all of us here right now that doing the business become multimillionaire because we are part of something that is just in the beginning. We're just in the beginning. All this application that we have, we're just starting to launch it all over the world. And for all of us here that working hard in the business, I can almost assure you in 2 to 3 years, you can become financially free. Because why? I'm living proof. It happens to me. Just a matter of 1 year in the business, I accumulate a couple $1 million worth of asset. And my kids' future is also very, very bright because if something happened to me, they're also going to make millions without me. That is the beauty of our company. I never been to a company like this in my entire career. So I am so glad because after my Bitcoin mining, I told myself I'm going to retire. I don't want to do anything anymore. That's why I got into a lot of businesses that is traditional. I invested in a lot of asset, but I'm so grateful that I meet the CEO and he shared me his vision about this company. And without doubt, I joined. And today I am the living proof that this company is working. And you are also can be like me. There's no difference between you and me. This is only decision making. I made the decision that day that I'm going to be part of this company. And for all of you that here right now, you are already preparing yourself for financial freedom. For those of you who are new, hopefully, you join us and you can also participate in this amazing company. So who is behind all of this? This is the board team, the Decides Holding PLC. Our CEO, Daniela Marinelli, told me once, he said, Lori, I only want the best people in my company. Because when I became appointed as a board member, I thank him. I said, Mr. Marinelli, I know I'm very grateful and an honor to be one of your board member. And he told me, he answered me, Lori, in my board member, I only want the best people who believe in our project and participate in the growth of our company. And you are the best. So I am so grateful, thankful that he called me the best, because look at all these people behind the scene. This is all the best people that you can ever imagine to be part of the company. Samar Salimano, 20 years of experience working for the biggest bank in the world, in the IMF, International Monetary Fund. Samar Mastaki worked in Wall Street. That is the number one stock exchange in the world. You cannot be a banker there if you're not holding 1 million or billion asset. Giovanni Sana is also corporate finance and in fintech. So all these people, you can Google their name. They're very, very successful. If you want to the legitimate of the company, look at these people, Google them, because they're really very successful. No successful people in the highest part of their career will join a company if it's not legit. Do you agree? That's the reason why when I look at these two people, I said, wow, this CEO only hired the best people. I can tell already. You cannot find better person than Samar Salaman to run our company. And on top of that, he had also the best people as a programmer and also developer. I know we have more than 100 developer and programmer all over the world, and he only hired the best. We're going to start with these two gentlemen, the reason why we had the best and number one artificial intelligence in the world, called Maya. Sebastiano Galaxio, 25 years of experience in artificial intelligence and also as an IT. So Stefano Mancoso, 25 years in IT and also 10 years in artificial intelligence. These two, actually, people, especially Sebastian Galazo, he used to work for Microsoft 25 years as the most valuable employee of Microsoft. Can you imagine that? The most valuable employee of Microsoft. And now he's working for us. I do believe he was also in charge of one of the Microsoft window. He also created one of them. So you can see here, most valuable employee of Microsoft, and we won the award as the number one artificial intelligence in San Jose, California. So we can be very, very proud, that we have the number one artificial intelligence in the world. Google, Siri, they're all artificial intelligence. ChatGPT, but did not get the award as number one. Our company, our own Maya, won the award as the number one artificial intelligence in the world. So we're going to talk about it, why we became the number one. This is all the product that we have. We have DTS Money. This is digital bank that already running and working in Europe. We also have Nova VPN as anti-hackers application. We have Umita World as our own Facebook. We have YouApprove Anonymous like our own Messenger and WhatsApp. We have Maya like our own Google and our own ChatGPT. And we have DT Swap, our own crypto exchange like Coinbase, like Binance, or Crypto.com. This is all 6 major projects that we have that we can all participate in earning, in making money. So let's talk about our own Maya, right? Our artificial intelligence. Why use Maya? Because Maya has an advanced search. We can attach our calendar to our Maya. We can tell Maya to make or book a reservation for us, or make anything that we want Maya to do. We can do it. Also, Maya knows who we are. Maya is gathering our information, but Maya is not selling our information. It's like Maya, our own personal secretary, and the person we can trust. He knows about us, but he's not sharing to anyone. And we have a U file that again you can download for your information, your document, and nobody knows about it. Nobody can access to it but you, because you're the only one holding the password. And this is the difference between us and the other EI. So I'm sure anybody here already using or heard about ChatGPT. To be honest, I did not heard about ChatGPT since last year because I'm not using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is like it's like Google, higher version of Google. Right now, ChatGPT actually is the number one artificial in the world, but because they've been around for 4 years. Let me tell you something. ChatGPT started in 2020. In 1 year, it's become 14 billion. Second year, 29 billion. Now it's worth 90 billion. The reason why I'm telling you this because ChatGPT counterpart is Maya, our own Maya. That's the only computation of ChatGPT. So if ChatGPT right now worth almost 100 billion, where do you think our Maya will be in 25 years from now? And the difference between ChatGPT and our Maya, ChatGPT stopped acquiring data a year ago. Our Maya is live and active. ChatGPT keep the profit. Maya is sharing the profit to us. That is the difference. But let's talk about what ChatGPT has and that Maya has that ChatGPT don't have it. So ChatGPT has generalized EI. We have customized EI. We have no personal profile graph, and we have personal profile graph. EI, our own EI knows who we are. They have user data used for AI training, no reverse ADB, data privacy, no old training with users data, reverse ADB. No custom interface on apps, car and smartphone. Customer interface on apps, car and smart TV. What that means, our own Maya artificial intelligence, we can, attach it to our smart TV, and also we can attach it to our CarPlay. Can you imagine that? Later on, I'll be using Maya as my personal assistant. While I'm driving, I can tell Maya, hey Maya, play my favorite song. Maya will do it for me. The same thing on my own TV. I can tell, hey Maya, I want this movie, I want that, and Maya will do it for me. Guys, this is one thing that ChatGPT don't have it. So can you imagine that when the whole world later on, when hundreds of millions or billions of people are using our own Maya in their smart TV, in the CarPlay, can you imagine that, guys, where you and I will be? Because we are part of making money. Every time Maya makes money, they share the profit to us because we are stockholder, shareholder of our own Maya. Also, GPS manage only document but not URLs. Shared chat access is only available to subscribers and not to everyone. We have UNO turned files, images, and URLs into interactive chats by making them available through a public link to chats. We have access to shared chat is for everyone, even those who are not Maya users. They have no integration with calendar, and we have integration to calendar. They have no media card, and we have exportable media cards. They have no possibility to upload files from email, and we have uploading files from email via UDrive function. So all of this that we have, ChatGPT don't have it. That's the reason why I really believe that our own Maya can surpass anything out there because we have the best artificial intelligence right now. So Magic, it's we have also our Maya is also, we have our own Magic that you can also go to huggingface.com mymaya.ai and learn more about our technology. Okay. So we're going to stop right here. Before we continue, I just want to summarize everything that I talked so far is all about our company, where we're going, and also what we have in our hands, right? All this product that's already available in our hands. But now the question is, how can we participate in earning? How can we make money, right? So let's start about if you heard about computational unit. To make it so simple, to summarize what is computational unit, it's like a car cannot drive without gas. So it's like gas is the computational unit of a car. So same thing with our own artificial intelligence. Our own artificial intelligence cannot work, will not work without computational unit. This is how important computational unit in our AI. So this is the micro unit. This is how it looks like. We can rent this, for 6 years. And right now it's only $10 every micro unit. And you're allowed to make money for 6 years. Also, we can withdraw money according to the amount of money that we're buying. We'll talk about that in a minute. So this is the past performance of our micro unit, because we just started this like couple months ago. So in March we made 5 cents every micro unit. In April 6 cents. In May is 7 cents. That is just, this is not like a crypto that volatile, goes up and down. The more people using our Maya and the more people renting our micro units, the more money you and I make. So let's talk about the prices. If you buy $20 all the way to 500, you can withdraw your profit every 6 months. If you buy 1,000 to 10,000, you can withdraw your profit every 3 months. 15,000 to 20,000, you withdraw your money every month. So I bought $20,000, so I'm withdrawing my money every month. Now, I have a choice if I want to compound my money by buying more or buying more micro unit. That's what I'm going to do. But that is only optional for you guys. If you want to do that, you can do it. If you want to do your money, you can also do it. It's up to you. For me, I want to keep compounding my money because my goal is not to make $1,000 a month. I want to make 10, 20,000 or more if I can do it. So right now we're having a promo that we extended. Actually, this promo is already over end of the month of June, but we talked to the company and we asked them if they can extend it. So they extend our promo all the way to 15 this month, July 15. If you don't have any packages yet about micro unit, you can put your order now. If you want to put bigger amount, you have until like end of July or beginning of August to make payment. So there's no excuses. If you don't want it, and you don't want to pay for it, nothing happened to you. That order is just going to disappear. But if you don't want to put your orders and you decided you want to put it after the 15, then this promo is no longer available for you. So this is how it works. If you buy 1,000, you get 5% more micro unit. If you buy 3,000, you get 8% more. That's 24 more micro unit. If you get 5,000, you get 10% more. You have 50 plus micro unit. If you buy 10,000, you get 150 micro unit. And not only that, because you're buying $10,000 worth of package, the company will give you 1 free micro unit NFT. Now, people always asking me what is the difference between our last project that we bought the NFT and this micro unit NFT. So that project that we bought in the past is already over. Whoever owns NFT, you own the source brain artificial intelligence. Now, whoever owns micro unit NFT, you participate in the income of micro unit every year. What that means, whatever profit, let's say the micro unit is worth 200 million, the everybody that renting micro unit. So 30% that goes back to the people who owns micro unit NFT. And the company is only allowing us, the whole world, to have 5,000 micro unit NFT. Okay, so 5,000 micro unit NFT for the whole world. Once the 5,000 is already over, nobody can buy or can get free NFT anymore. This is only special for people who are buying 10,000 or more. So because I bought 20,000, I get 2 free micro unit NFT that I also participate in the dividend every year. Every time they make money from people renting micro unit, I also participate in the dividend every year. That's the point of owning micro unit. So I love it because for us here in the US, we cannot buy other product, but we can also participate in the income if we own micro unit. That's why I travel all over US. I promote 10,000, 20,000. I was in Arizona last week and I have people are buying 20,000 and 10,000 because they want to participate the dividend of micro unit every year. So of course, not everybody can afford $10,000, $20,000, but it's okay. If you know people who can afford it, it's the best thing to do is buy it now before we sold out, or we finished the 5,000 free NFT. And also there's a reason why people should buy 10,000 and 20,000, because if they want to withdraw the profit every month or every 3 months, right? So this promo, we extended it until July 15th. Like I said, put your orders. You're not going to penalize if you cannot pay when the time comes that you have to pay for your package. But putting the orders now before the 15th is the wiser things to do, because you don't want to miss this kind of promo. That, can you imagine that? By buying 20,000, you get $5,000 extra worth of micro unit NFT. If you buy 15,000, you get 3,000. That's a lot of money to be throwing away. That's the reason why if people have money, they understand it, they buy 10, 15, 20,000. I bought 20,000 because I don't want to miss this opportunity. I'm making 6,000 more or 5,000 more extra micro unit because I'm buying it now. So this is just example. Again, this is all just projection, okay? We cannot put exact percentage when we're talking to people. This is all based, because remember, our product is when the whole world is using, we get paid. So we cannot predict, how many people. We could have millions of people using our product next month, and we're gonna be making a lot of money. But again, guys, do not put numbers or do not put percentage. With 500 users, our revenue in the micro unit is 15 million, and 30% that goes back to us. With 1 million users is 28.2 million, and with 5 million users, we have $108 million that we can earn. That is 30% divided among all of us. This is just example, right? With 500,000 total users, let's say the 1 million is revenue a month, 30% goes back to all of us who are owning micro unit, renting micro unit. So for example, 1 million divided by 300, it's like 3%. This is based on 500,000 people are renting our micro unit. So this is the example. Again, this can go up anytime. They never go down. It just keep going up, because the more people using our application, the more the valuation goes up, the more money you and I make. See here, the graph here, they don't go up and down. Like crypto is volatile. They go up today, they go down tomorrow. We're not like that. The more people using our application, the more people renting our micro unit, the more the valuation goes up, the more money you and I make. This is how it works. Okay. So far, if you are not a member, because you are new here, please get back to the person who invited you. Let them help you how to register, and let them help you how to buy the micro unit or Maya token. Now, let's summarize. In the US, in Europe, we can only buy actually, let me refresh. In US, we can only buy micro unit. In Europe, beside Italy and in the Philippines and other part of the world, they can buy Maya token. So right now, our Maya token is 50 cents per token, and we have still a lot of token available. But our micro units right now is also available in the Philippines. So in US and in Europe, to start in this company, to participate in all the ecosystem that we have, like Forex trading and other platform, we need to buy $3,000 worth of micro unit in the US and in Europe. But in the Philippines, you have a better chance to start with $250 worth of micro unit and $300 worth of Maya token. Now, when people ask me, Lori, which one should I buy first? Should I go for micro unit or should I buy Maya token first? So this is equal important, okay? So this is what, if you want to earn money right away, buy the micro unit, because micro unit, that's the money that you can withdraw anytime. Now, our Maya token is just like pre-selling. It's like buying stocks of shares of the company before they go public. Now, our enemy, because every time the more people are using our Maya, this token also is going to keep going up. So remember, we started it 5 months ago or 4 months ago, only 10 cents. Now it's already 50 cents. And the two things are enemy in my token. Either, you buy it now for 50 cents, or if you don't, in a month or two, it could be 60, 70, or 80. And another enemy that we need to consider by not owning the Maya token right now, once we go to public in NASDAQ, we are going to stop selling Maya token in our website. The only way you can buy Maya token, and more expensive, if you're gonna buy in stock exchange or any crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or other crypto changer out there. So that's the only way you can buy Maya token. Right now, you can still buy it for 50 cents. Again, you can use this if you want to participate in the income of the company as a stockholder, shareholder of the company. You need to own Maya token, because Maya token, every year, whatever this Maya make, 30% goes back to the people who owns Maya token also. So you need to own Maya token if you want to participate in the growth of the company, in the dividend of the company every year. You need to own Maya token. But here in US and Europe, if you want to participate in the dividend of the company, if you want to be stock shareholder of the company, you need to buy $10,000 or more to become an eligible for micro unit NFT, that allowing you to participate in dividend every year of the micro unit. So that's the two things that you just need to remember. In the US, in Europe, we can buy micro unit, and if you buy $10,000, you can participate in the micro unit NFT. That's the only way you can, if you are new, if you want to be part of the dividend every year of the company, when a stockholder, shareholder. Otherwise, you don't have to buy $10,000. Just buy anywhere from 100, 500, 1,000, 3,000. But again, in the US, 3,000 is the magic number if you want to participate in all the ecosystem. In the Philippines, 250 MMU and 300 Maya token can get you to our own Forex trading and use all our services for free. That's the only two things that you need to remember, okay? That you can market in this company right now, because you are going project to project. For some of you, I'm sorry that you missed the other project. I got into this business a year and a half ago. I missed the two projects that people made millions. I missed the token, the company token, because I was not there yet. But thank God, a year and a half ago, I joined and I bought UTIC token. Not that the UTIC token they're now using around the world. They cannot buy services for Maya or Umita World without our token. So they're using our token. So my token keep going up with the value of the company, and also because I own stocks and shares of the company, I also make money. So you guys missed that because you're not there yet. You're not here in the business yet, but that's okay. This micro unit. I tell you guys, because I had experienced already the mining, we can make a lot of money here if you buy your package now for $10, because you don't want to buy it a couple months when it's $20, $30. I'll be making already double, triple, quadruple with my money because I bought it now. So that's the difference between buying it now and buying it later. Okay, so it's up to you guys. The decision is yours to make. We're only here to inform you, to educate you what we have in the table, but the rest is up to you. Of course, you're the only one who knows your finance stuff. I'm not telling you to put all your basket in your egg in one basket. This is something that we are accumulating our wealth. We are creating our wealth for our family. That's the reason why we're doing this. So for those of you who are new, like I said, get back to the person who invited you. So let's summarize. How we can rent and earn money and withdraw money. From $20 to 500, you can withdraw every 6 months. From 1,000 to 10,000 every 3 months, 15,000 to 2,000 every month. And right now, you can participate in our bonus till July 15. So if you're not ready yet because you have the money, just make sure you put your orders before July 15 ends. Okay? Also, we have also MMU exclusive benefit, like VIP 3,000. You can participate in algo trading for 2.5% a month. Gold 5,000. You can participate in our algo trading for 3% per month, and platinum 10,000. Algo, you can do it. And also you can get one free NFT. When you buy platinum for $10,000. Again, this is our website for our NFT Magic. You can go there and learn more about it. And this is our own crypto wallet exchange that we just launched. This is like, if you don't have any wallet yet, crypto wallet, you can download this our application so that you can use this. Use this also if the company wants you. If you want to use this as a wallet when you withdraw your commission, you can use our own DT Swap. So if you don't know how to do it, please get back to the person who invited you. He probably can help. He can help you download this application. And this is our own crypto wallet, and we can do some trading there. And also, user is for sharing. Now, let's talk about the summer race challenges right now that we are offering. We are extending also our promo for this month of July, all the way into July. That if you participate, and in this program, right here from August. Okay, I think this is in America and Europe. So since we have Europe people here, in American people, this is Sapphire. If you reach Sapphire by before end of September, the company will give you 500 extra DD Circle token. Oh, excuse me. This is money actually. Ruby 7,500 rev, you get 750 euro. Emerald 12,000 rev, you get 1,000. Diamond 24,000, you get 1,500. Blue diamond is 48,000, you get 3,000. And also green diamond 75,000, you get $5,000. This is all extra, just because you reach this by September 30, 30 of September. This is our super rank bonus. Okay, super rank bonus. Again, for those of you who are probably older than others, you miss your fast start bonus like Ruby, Emerald, Diamond, Blue Diamond. Now this is the time to reclaim it. This is the time to do it, because they're allowing you to do it till end of September. Once you reach your Ruby in US and Europe, you get 100, and also in Australia, of course, other part of category A, you get 100 DT Circle coin. What that means is one DT Circle coin, that's a company stocks. Right now it's worth $25. So 100 times 25. And this is Sunbi, it's other country, but in the Philippines, you get 10 stocks of the company, circle coin of the company. And when you reach Emerald, you get 500. The Philippines 50. Diamond 1,000. The Philippines 100. Again, you multiply 100 times 25. Blue diamond is 2,000, is 200. Green diamond is 4,000, is 400. That's the money that you earn extra, beside also getting paid rank bonus. So the rank bonus is different. You get paid also your rank bonus when you reach all this position. But all this circle coin that the company is giving is only free because you reach the position by September. So guys, this is worth it. If you can work, even in the Philippines, if you can work 2 to 3 months, even a lot harder to reach diamond or blue diamond, you can make a couple millions in stocks and shares of the company, plus also your commission. So that's actually the end of our business presentation. Like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know how to sign up, please get back to the person who invited you. Let's just dive into our compensation plan. This is only for the fast start bonus. Okay. So, dream bigger, do bigger, achieve bigger, right? Company already paid more than $60 million in commission to all of us who are doing the business. So how we get paid? We get paid actually 6 ways. We get direct bonus, 15%, team bonus, matching bonus, rank bonus, and fast start bonus, and also digital money, like the banking system. When everybody is putting money or saving money in our bank in Europe, because this is in Europe, it's already available, they also get paid commission every month. The people get weekly interest, and the people who's doing the business get monthly commission. So this is how it works. We have a RED system. RED is like the point system of the company. It's 80% of the value of our money. For example, when you buy $3,000 worth of MMU or package, you get 2,400 rev. 5,000 you get 4,000 rev. 10,000 you get 8,000 rev, and 20,000 you get 16,000 rev. So you get 15% all your referrals. This is how it works. With 2,400 rev, you get 15%, that is 260. With 4,000 rev, you get 15%, you get 600 direct commission. With 10,000, you get 1,200. And with 16,000 rev, you get 2,400. So this is the fast start bonus. The company is giving us extra $100,000 if you want it, only if you want it. This is optional. It's not mandatory. But I highly recommend you should do it because I made my extra $100,000 in 5 months because I did it. I did the fast start bonus. So in the Philippines, we have a lot of people there here right now that already become diamond, blue diamond in just a very, very short period of time. And they did not miss the fast start bonus. They're enjoying the fast start bonus. So I want you guys to really, really take it seriously, to make it happen just in a couple months. Don't wait until 9 months. I don't want you guys to to like crumbs in the last minute trying to make it happen. If you can do it sooner, please do it because it is possible. If I can do it in 3 months, I know you guys in 3 to 5 months. I know you guys can do it, and it is happening already in the Philippines. People are already doing it. So this is the first step of our own fast start bonus. If you get 3 people with $3,000, the first 30 days. Now, guys, just remember, the only very important things is the first 30 days. It has to be your personal sponsor, the volume. You cannot count the second label, third label, fourth label. It has to be in your first label only. The rest, you can count all of them. So with 3,000 reds, you get an extra $500. Step 2, if you need to have 4 referrals, all you have to do is add 1 more person, and 12,000 rep, you get $1,500 extra fast start bonus. Step 3, 90 days. If you add 1 more person, now you have 5 referrals, and you have 30,000 rep, you get paid $3,000 in extra fast start bonus. So diamond is step 4. All you have to do is add 3 more people. Now you have 8 referrals, and also 150,000 rev. The company give you $15,000 extra. So I did this in less than 3 months, and I made $30,000 that month because I made $15,000 in fast start bonus, 3,000 in rank bonus. I got paid in team bonus, matching bonus, and also the direct sponsor. That's how I made $30,000 that month. The blue diamond is the last of fast start bonus. And like I said, look what this, the company give us 9 months to accomplish this. And you do not have to wait 9 months to do it. You can do it a lot sooner than that because a lot of people already blue diamond in the Philippines in very short period of time. So you need 150,000 reds and 8 referral to become diamond. Okay? Blue diamond, sorry. Is it the diamond? So the blue diamond actually is the last step of fast start, and you need to have 11 referrals. All you have to do is add three more on top of your 8. So altogether, you only need 11 referrals and also $20,000 worth of red. And now you can become blue diamond and you earn the fast start bonus of $30,000. So when I reached my blue diamond that month, I made $50,000 because I made 30,000 in fast start bonus, 5,000 in the rank bonus, matching bonus, team bonus, and other bonuses. That's the reason why I don't want you guys to just throw it on the table and or throw it, because that's a lot of money to be throwing away. But today, even then you miss all this fast start bonus, you still have a chance to recover and reclaim it through our summer program bonus. Okay. So if you need help, how to do it, please reach out to the person, like invited you, also your leaders, they can teach you how to get there. If you need our help, I'm also here to help you understand what you need to become Blue Diamond. So this is all the people that making money in our company right now. And you guys can also do the same. This is coming from Stefano. Sometimes I think what I would have missed it if I had not decided to start this business that day. Coming from a 26 years old multi-millionaire that started the business 7 years ago when he was only 19 years old with no background in networking or other businesses. So can you imagine that he was a professional swimmer and a model and got into this business because when they heard the CEO said, one day I'm going to create this, I'm going to create that, I'm going to do this. And he said, boy, if this CEO, what he's talking about is 5% right, I can be a millionaire. Today, he's not only a millionaire, but he's a multi-millionaire. So when he told me, Lori, my goal is not to become a multi-millionaire, my goal is to become a billionaire, to earn $1 million a month. In the beginning, I cannot comprehend it. I don't understand how this person can make that much money. Now I understand because you know why? Just alone the banking system. If Stefano people save money in our digital bank for together, when it reached $100 million, Stefano get even 1% of that every month. That's $1 million commission every month that he can earn. And he told me, he said, Lori, if I quit today the business, I decided I'm going to retire and just enjoy my family. I can still make millions of dollars in this company because he's also one of the board member. And so he said, I can still make million and my children will be set financially for the rest of their life because I created something 7 years ago. Can you imagine that, guys? How many of us can talk like that? That if I build something in 2 to 3 years, I can become financially free and leave a legacy to my children. I can already see that because I only been in this company for a year and a half. I accumulate a couple millions already. And as one of the board member, my kids are also set for life. So I always joke to Stefano. I said, I want to be like you when I grow up, Stefano. Because you know why? Most of us here right now that listening to me probably been to other company or they shut down, fall down, or run away. And this guy never left the company. He only worked in the same company for 7 years and achieved financial freedom for the rest of his life. So how many of you can work 2 to 3, willing to work 2 to 3 years to achieve financial freedom for life and can leave legacy for your children or grandchildren for life? How many of you are willing to do that? Every successful people need to sacrifice a little bit. You cannot become successful without giving out something. And even me, I give up a lot of things. I travel, I leave my family because I want to secure the future of my family. And that's what we're doing here. We're helping people securing their financial status, helping them change their life forever. So hopefully you guys are one of them. And I know already most of you are here. are already doing that. You're already working hard to achieve your financial freedom. And we're only here to help you guys. At the end of the day, it's your decision because each of us here in this business, we need to take ownership of our own business. We're going to treat this like our own company. When I joined this business, I spend my own money going to the Philippines, even though my partner are telling me, Lori, why you keep going to the Philippines and spending $10,000 or more when you can make more money here in the US and you don't have to travel. I said, Asi, because in the Philippines, there's 120 million population. If I can help only 1% Filipino, that is 1.2 million. So you have to give yourself applause because you are the 1% Filipino right now that's going to change your life because you are in this zone. So thank you everyone. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me now.
So, ma'am.
Hello po. You have any question po? So guys, I'm gonna share something that I can open. You guys have any no actually tonight that is actually 8 a.m. your time. Stefano, my business partner, he's right now in Spain. I will be doing the Zoom. If he cannot do it, I do it. But he's always traveling, so that's the reason why sometimes if he cannot do it, then I have to do it. So guys, you have any questions so far? Welcome, Ma'am Julieta. If you don't have any questions, so we'll see you guys tomorrow morning when you wake up, okay? At 8 a.m. Okay, thank you guys.
Hello.
Yes.
So, hello. I would like to ask Mrs. Tumog, Babay Tumog, do you have any question? Ma'am Lori is still there. Hello, Ma'am Babay. Hello. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, may tanong po ako yung regarding sa super promo yung for September. Let's say, for example, nasa per ako ngayon, tapos hindi na ako dumaan ng ruby, emerald, and whatever, nag-diamond kaagad. So, yun lang ang ibigay bonus doon, diretso na sa diamond, hindi na sila magbibigay sa emerald at saka sa ruby. Ganon.
So that's a good question, Ma'am Rosario. Actually, you cannot become diamond without going to ruby, emerald, and stuff. So you're still going to get paid from all of that. Because right now, the promo is starting from ruby. So if you're a ruby, you need to go to emerald and diamond. So you still get paid from all of that.
Ay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Anybody else? So like I said, if you miss any promo from the past, don't worry about it. Right now is the time to reclaim, to redo it. Okay. The company is giving us 3 months to do it. Anybody else? So it's not now we see you guys.
Lori.
Yes.
When can we have a training on DT swap?
Okay, that's a good question. At the Priscilla, I can ask Stefano to do it. Okay, because Stefano is more technical than me.
Yes, because that's really important in preparation for forex trading and Tickmill. Because if you know these basics, then it would be easier to understand how we're going to go about the forex trading. And I'm sure everybody's interested. Thank you, Ms. Lori.
You're very welcome. So, like I said, we all learning together, right? And so Stefano is the person who can teach us or show us or help us to do it. So I'm going to ask Stefano to have a special training just for all of us to learn about the forex, the algorithm and our DT swap. We're going to make we're always having a special training once a week. So I'm gonna ask Stefano to cover that particular topic.
Because if it is the equivalent of Binance, in this particular industry. That would benefit us because we go through directly and we use DT Swap, and that's the application that we need to be using, right?
Yes. And
Okay, thank you.
you're very welcome, Ma'am Priscilla. And that's the truth. We need to use our own application because we are part of this company. When the more people are using our application, the valuation of the company keep going up. And we also, our stocks and shares also keep going up. That's the reason we need to learn and understand what kind of product we have, and we need to start using and promoting our own company. Can you imagine that, guys? Regardless if you do the business or not, because you're in the business, you own token, you own micro unit, you own all that, you are participating in the income of the company. Because if I work hard, if other people work hard in Australia, like at Dali and other part of the world, we all benefit. This is the only company that the responsible of our income is not strictly by our own effort, but also with the whole world using our application. Because to our user, family, we are a community. That's the difference between us and the other company. Can you imagine that, guys? When the whole world is using application, we benefit from it. It's crazy.
And Miss Lori, when can we have a full and dedicated training on, let's say, tick mill and forex trading, so that we will not be confused and we will not be misled by anything? Because I know that when everybody knows the advantages and the benefits of this particular service, then I'm sure everybody will be so interested to become an IB, even if it's not a networking.
So that is something that I have to ask Sally to do it, because thank God that she is a country manager, and as being because you guys have understand this. Tick mill, we're using tick mill because that's what they're using in Europe. And it just happened that we know somebody, and then Lani knows Sally because they used to trade already in tick mill. So that through Sally, she's also helping us to educate us about tick mill, and also even wants to help us, like, if we have really serious people that wants to join tick mill, she can even host that the tick mill is paying for it. But just even though we're talking, let's say, Ma'am Priscilla, you have a big group of people that really just want to be ready to do trading and really want to do it. We can ask her to host it, and the tick mill can host it. Like, they pay for the hotel, they pay for the food, because there's already people that are ready to trade and they need to learn more about the forex, right? So that is only advantage we have versus me. I don't know anybody here in the US in our broker firm like they're in Chicago. So for you guys, you have advantage because you are in the Philippines. You have somebody like Sally that can help you, guide you, what to do in tick mill. Okay, but like I said, that is the being an IB. Anybody can apply for it. But if somebody don't want to be part of it because they don't like trading, it's okay. So, but anybody can apply. And then I last night I spoke to Sally to clarify that what happened if the person doesn't do trading, and I didn't want to do trading, so they can ask the next person who own an IB that qualified for IB or whatever reason, and then they can use their IB account. And then and later on, when that person, like me, Ma'am Priscilla, I have you, and I don't want to have nothing to do with trading. I don't want to be an IB because I'm not interested in trading. But later on, I decided, okay, I want to be part of trading. I want to become an IB. I applied for IB and I qualified, because you are already with somebody else, because somebody has to use somebody IB to get into the business. But now I decided I will go in. Sally told me that I can reclaim you. I can reclaim you because
does that mean that when you reclaim me, you also reclaim the commissions
Correct.
of the activities of my money invested in?
Correct. Yes.
Oh, I see. Oh,
So
okay,
that is
that's
a bit.
good.
Yeah. So that is something that I found out last night. So there is a lot of things, and I don't want you guys. This is no, we're all adult here, and we have matured. Okay, we are leaders. So I don't want you guys to be jumping to accusing or we're doing other things for other people, because technically this is all new to all of us. I'm also learning, you are learning, we're all learning together. So there's nobody here is ahead of the game that knows everything, the rules or regulation of a broker. Everything that's going to happen between you and Tickmill is between you and Tickmill, has nothing to do with me or Ushare or anybody else. I just want you guys to be clear, okay? So we cannot really accuse anybody, your downline, sideline, whatever, for anything, because we have nothing to do with it. It's really strictly between you and the Tickmill. So if you're not qualified because of some reason, has nothing to do with Ushare. If you're not making money as a IB, have nothing to do with it. This is between you outside Ushare. We're only using Tickmill as our own broker. So I just don't want anybody to get confused, saying that how come I did not make money? I'm part of Ushare, she's a user, but she makes money. Baka I don't make money. It's IB. There's more money doing the business actually. It's only one of our services that we provide only for people who wants it. But it's not mandatory, it's not for everybody. So I just want to make it clear, because we're all learning together. Nobody here knows what's going on about other Tickmill, what they're doing. I don't know. I don't have an account with Tickmill, and I don't know Tickmill. Tickmill, Forex is not a networking. They don't care about networking. They are just a broker. So it's really between us and them. If you want to apply, you can apply for IB. Nobody can stop you. And when you open an account in Tickmill, you can also ask you if you want to be an IB. So anybody can apply if you want. Nobody can stop you. Okay, so I just want to go out there, because sometimes, people, because they are not, aware. Even me, myself, I still asking Sally. I want to clarify things because me personally, I don't know the rules and regulation of Tickmill. I don't have an account Tickmill, and I know we're only using Tickmill because he's our broker. We use them as a broker in Europe, so now we use it in the Philippines. It just happened that we know Sally and he's helping us because she's a Filipino. She's a country manager of Tickmill, and that is a privilege because she can help us even host something in the future if there's more people that are really serious. Only people are serious, not people just come in and just, we can do some. She only wants to talk to people that are really serious already. And for the rest of people, we can just do some. That's what she said. Because, she don't want to be in trouble also with Tickmill, spending all this money for people just to know more about, so she just wants really people who are ready. That's the thing that she wants to only speak to people that sit down to people who are really ready. But the rest, we can ask information. We can ask her to do some. So
I will speak for myself, Miss Laurie, okay, regarding Tickmill. We really need to be trained and we really need to know so we do not lose on anything. Since Ushare has presented Forex trading as a service, we do not want to be left behind. So if Miss Sally is, I know that she is also very passionate about her role in Tickmill. I'm sure that she will give everyone, whether interested or not, the time to be trained and to be introduced to Tickmill.
Yes, that's the reason why we need to have Zoom with Sally and Stefano, so that for everyone who are interested. But when I'm saying, Ma'am Priscilla, if you wanna sit down with Sally, because like, I don't want people saying, I want to sit down with Sally, then you're gonna bring 20, 30 people there, and then because she's hosting it, she wants to see people. I hate to say this, Ma'am Priscilla, because I've been in the Philippines a lot. And I know I spend a lot of money because when you sit down with people, you have to accommodate them, you have to pay for everything. So Sally didn't want to get in trouble because, she only wants to talk to people right now that ready to do trading because she's the one spending the money. So I cannot tell her what to do. Then she's the one doing it. I'm not there personally to pay for everyone, but that is her rules. And if people just want to know about Tick and Train, we can do Zoom. But some people wants to really interested and really ready to go, they can go and see her or sit down with her. That is that's what she said. So we cannot just go and bring 30 people that is interested
and thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, Ma'am Priscilla. So let's make I'm gonna talk to Stefano when is the time that we can, there's still, Ma'am Priscilla, there's still some things that we are trying to sort out. That's the reason why I'm not really right now promoting Forex, because they jump from $1,000 to $5,000. Okay, so I'm trying to talk to Stefano, because I know that not too many people in the Philippines can afford $5,000, because of the Adam, the hedge fund manager that that's starting this, said that they're waiving 2,500 membership to do trading with EI trading, but the minimum is 5,000, because if it's the 2,500 is free, unless it'll be worth it at 5,000. So that's something right now that I'm still going to talk to Stefano and working. What can we do to help people in the Philippines? Because here in the US and Europe, we have to start with $5,000. So in the
Ma'am
Philippines,
Lori, yes po.
yes,
Sana po mapagbigyan po ang Pilipinas kasi $5,000 ma'am is so big
yes.
para po ma'am sa amin dito. So nagsabi nga po ako na baka po magawan po ng company ma'am na even po 20 slots na tigwa 1,000 kung sakali po ma'am. Then after po na nakapasok po yung 20, the next po pwede po mag 5,000. Kasi parang ang napaka-importante lang po doon is mapakita po natin ma'am sa mga members natin na yung trading platform po natin ay talagang visible siya na nakakapag-withdraw talaga monthly. Kasi encouragement po yun ma'am para po sa atin, para alam niyo po yung iba kasi yung merong mapapakita ma'am na monthly income ma'am ng yun nga po yung money works for you po ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
thank you ma'am
correct.
Lord.
So Ma'am Joby, you telling me that I should suggest that maybe let the 20 people first come in as 5,000, and then later on offer the 1,000 to the rest.
Yes, ma'am. 20 people, 20, sorry, ma'am, 20 people for 1,000 slots, ma'am, if it is possible, ma'am.
So open,
1,000.
okay, open the 20
Yes.
people for 1,000, and then
Yes,
once
ma'am.
it's done, then we can go to 5,000. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, po,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will suggest that, Joby. I will suggest that to
Thank you so
Stefano.
much, ma'am. Yes,
So
po, ma'am.
you're very welcome. So I like this, that we are brainstorming, because my goal is to help you guys, to make more money or put more money in your pocket, and that's a good idea. Joby, I'm going to ask Stefano if that's possible, if they can start that, and then so that's gonna be. How does this work, Joby? Because of course, there's gonna be a lot of people coming in with 1,000, so we're only gonna choose 20 for the beginning. So is that gonna be
Yes, ma'am.
a first come first serve basis?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Kung sino po yung meron, they can join agad. So, paunahan yan, ma'am.
Okay.
Di ba? So,
Because I don't
kumbaga,
want people to accuse again leaders that why they only
Yeah.
choose certain people, and not the rest of the people. So that's why we need to really put out there, that is your suggestion. I'm going to ask Stefano to do it, and that's going to happen first come basis. It's not about we choose only the people that can get in and not able to get in. Okay, so I'm going to bring that suggestion, Joby. Thank you for.
Good evening, ma'am.
So in this case, Lori, since that's the suggestion of Jovi, let me just come up with a scenario. So Jovi becomes the IB of the 20 people that has invested $1,000 each. She becomes the IB, and does the IB have to pay also $1,000 to be a member and to be able to become a practicing IB?
Oh no, Ma'am Priscilla, become ID is free.
It's free to become an
You don't have to
IB.
pay. No, anybody can. Like I said, you can apply for IB. Yes, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. There's only a requirement that the TICMEL has, that you can qualify. I don't know exactly what the rules and regulation, but anybody can apply for IB. IB is free.
Okay.
So let's say Joby is only responsible for the IB. This is for example, Ati. If Joby people are ready and then the other people are not ready, like say I'm the group of Joby. I'm one of the Joby downline, right? Let's say my sponsor is you. You are my direct sponsor. but Juby is above us. Now, you are my direct sponsor, but you're not ready to become an IB because you don't want to do trading, you want to put money, right? You can still apply for IB, but because I am ready to do trading, I cannot wait for you whenever you're ready. I can use Juby because it's also online to use her IB. Now, once you get your own once you get your own IB, then you can also reclaim it later on. It's too much
Okay.
noise. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
So you can
Okay,
see,
thank
you know
you.
what I mean? So yeah, you can also reclaim me to become. So there's somebody need to have an IB in order to get into this tech mill. That's why if you start, you can also reclaim it later on when you have your own. That's the beauty about I asked Sally. Okay. So
Thank
is that clear
you.
now?
Yeah, it's
You're very
it's very
welcome.
clear. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Sorry.
So that's why I said we cannot be, you know,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Mr. Ben, do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Another consideration for the suggestion of Ma'am Juby, with all respect of good suggestion from Ma'am Juby, para sa akin naman, it's better na from the start sa Philippines, bigyan muna ng chance mo. If ever si Mr. Adam ay magbigay talaga ng chance na pwedeng 1,000 muna ang start ng taga-Philippines sa kanilang trading, it should be magbigay na lang siya ng time frame kung talagang gusto niyang mag 5,000 talaga lahat ang magpasok sa Forex, no? Halimbawa, bigyan niya ng at least 3 months. Then all directs namin, lahat ng aming mga downlines na gusto talaga ng trading, we have the time to
Okay.
come in sa trading.
That's
Kasi
another good, yes.
kung 20 lang, mamaya yung iba gusto nang pumasok na wala na yung 20, marami na namang mananaghili niyan. Marami na bakit sila lang? 'Di ba? Ba't kakaunti
Okay.
lang? So, if
Yes.
ever magbigay talaga sila ng chance ng 1,000
Promo.
para sa mga Philippines, no? Sa
Okay.
Philippine, na siguro, 3 months, gano'n. At least, may time naman yung iba na makapasok. No?
Okay. That's a very good
Okay.
suggestion. That's why the reason why I love hearing from everyone, suggestion, brainstorming, because everything that you guys have in mind, I can always bring it to Adam or to Stefano. And that's the reason why we're here.